We developed one-day Strengths Masterclasses for professionals who are looking to or maybe are already using strengths-based approaches in their work but are keen to understand how the At My Best products can add to what they're doing.
So we have a broad range of people who come along to these one-day workshops, which makes the days really interesting and varied. We have a lot of coaches, trainers, facilitators, learning and development professionals, both consultants and those internal to organisations, as well as teachers, counsellors, and a range of other professions who use the At My Best tools in a range of different contexts. So it's always a great opportunity to meet interesting and varied group of people and learn from their experience.
We start by looking at some of the ways in which you can use the cards to help people to identify their strengths. We look at ways you can use them to give feedback to other people and also start moving into thinking about, so how can you use the tool to help people to reflect on and think about how they can start using their strengths more. So we really want you to go away with lots of different ideas. And as part of that, we also give you a bit of the background. So how did we develop the cards? Why are they that way? What's our philosophy? What's our approach? So you properly understand the tool and how we anticipate them being used in practice.
If you come along, you'll get a set of strengths cards to take away, but you also get a number of free credits for the At My Best 360 online tool that you can take away and use with clients, with colleagues or with friends to help them get a better understanding of when they're at their best and what strengths other people see in them.
The days themselves are really engaging, interactive. We spend lots of time talking and chatting through ideas, so they're very, very practical days. Quite relaxed, and we have some fun, but we get through a huge amount of content in a very short period of time.